Hey guys, we have just launched WhatsApp automations on CodeWords, and what this allows you to do is consume workflows through your WhatsApp. And so today I want to show a interesting use case. So what I want to do is be able to schedule and save meetings into my Google Calendar through my WhatsApp. So I'm going to come into CodeWords and I'm going to prompt Cody, build me a WhatsApp automation where I message saying schedule an event with an event name and time, and it adds it to my Google Calendar. I'm going to hit run, and Cody is going to plan, architect, build, and deploy this workflow. So if I come into the workflow that's been built, here's a conversation I've had with Cody, clarifying edge cases, and Cody has generated me a graph representation of this workflow. So I'm going to trigger incoming WhatsApp message, it passes that message, and then it adds it to my Google Calendar. And so now what I can do is click on run, and I can register my number. So what this is going to do is register the number against this workflow. Amazing. So this has now successfully registered, and here in the instructions it tells me to add CodeWords to @CodeWords within the group chat and then trigger my message. So I'm going to go into WhatsApp and I'm going to add CodeWords, and this should hopefully link this workflow to my WhatsApp. Amazing, so the workflow has successfully linked. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to trigger the workflow. So let's type in schedule CodeWords party at 7 p.m. today. And now what this should do is trigger the workflow. The workflow should execute, and then it should populate my Google Calendar with the event. So if I go into my Google Calendar, there's nothing there yet. And actually, now it's popped up, CodeWords party 7 to 8 p.m. So that's how you can very quickly build WhatsApp workflow automations through Cody.